Hi everyone, my name is Thomas Kim. Today is November 8th, 2019. This is my 19th episode about linear algebra and threading building blocks. In this episode, I will talk about how to correctly use C++ standard parallel algorithm 2. Especially, I will talk about std reduce. Also, a macro called NOMINMAX. When C++ standard committee defines an algorithm as C++ standard, that's because C++ standard committee believes that that algorithm is important. std reduce algorithm was not very important in the past because we can easily implement this algorithm. Now, with C++ 17, this std reduce macro algorithm is very important. Also, transform reduce, inclusive scan, exclusive scan, these algorithms are very important now because we cannot implement better than C++ standard committee's implementation. If you haven't watched my previous video, please double-click this link and watch my previous video. Double-click this link. Please note that my current session continues from my previous episode, so if you haven't watched my previous video, please watch it now. Then come back later. Click this link to download complete source code from our previous episode. Click Show in Folder, unzip the folder name, change the folder name, 19, parallel, reduce. Hit enter, copy, paste it to your working folder. This is my working folder. Start Visual Studio Code. Open the project or the folder and expand this folder. Expand the folder 19, parallel reduce. Double click template.cpp. Include talk play fun. Parallel HPP. We created this file in our previous episode. So if you haven't watched my previous video, please watch it now. In here, namespace, chr, talk play fun, chrono random, here auto, I will just say nl, talk play fun, nl. Now Ctrl S, close it, right click, copy, click the folder name, right click, paste, rename, std, reduce, hit enter. I will delete some file, I will delete the matrix, delete, and also reduce, delete, also parallel, delete, and I will rename it reduce. Ctrl V. I will create two functions and we will do some benchmarking. Template, type name, element type, sequential, min, std, vector, element type, b, constant. We are trying to find minimum value contained in this container using sequential method. Or min value, std, numeric, limits, element type, I say max, for, or E, B, if E is less than min value equal E, return min value. Now we test this function, void test sequential parallel algorithm. I copy this function name, int main, paste it here. Now start command prompt, dir cd 19 parallel reduce clang reduce.cpp std c++17 ltbb, hit enter. Main is reduce defined twice. I will delete this main. Build again. Wow, it built. Using element t, double, size t count 10, auto, generator, chr, random generator, element t, -5, +5, random number generator, std, vector, element t, b, count, chr, random, fill, b, generator, stream, b equal b, and there auto min. Now we are calling this function b, stream min, and there we sort the vector std parallel sort b begin b end. So we have to modify it like this. std execution per unsequential b, we sort, then stream, after sort b, and there I say before sort. Now in the command prompt we build again. Wow, it built cls a. So this is before sort, this is after sort. So minimum value is -3.9. Instead of double, I will change it to int, and it's too big, I will make it 5. Run again, cls. So this is before sort, after sort, minimum value is -3. Now let's try with Microsoft compiler, dir cd 19 parallel reduce cl ehsc std c++17 reduce .cpp TBB malloc lib fe m.exe, hit enter. Wow, it says warning, not enough argument for function type macro invocation. So line number 23, this min-max is causing the trouble. If you have a message like this, not enough argument for function like macro invocation max, copy. If you have error message like this, then define NOMINMAX. Okay? Then it should work. We rebuild. Now it works. Microsoft compiler also works. So you understand what it means. Now we implement this algorithm using std reduce in parallel like this. I will copy this part, paste it like this, and rename parallel min. std reduce std execution policy par unsequential b begin b, and we are using this syntax. The first is execution policy. The second is forwarding, constant forwarding first iterator, this begin. Then second is last iterator, this end. Then the value, initial value. So std numeric limits element type max. This is initial value. Then this binary operation. Instead of binary operation, we create lambda or left or right. We create a lambda like this. Return left less than right, then left, else right. We created a lambda function here. Then it returns this parallel reduce, returns value. Return like this. I will talk more about this shortly. If it is confusing, then do like this. Or handle reduce. I will copy this, cut, paste it here like this, then handle reduce. Also, if it is confusing to you, cut, paste, or initial value. I will rearrange init like this. It's easier to understand. Okay? Then scroll down. I will change it to min1. This is sequential algorithm. min1 or min2 parallel min v. I copy once again, paste min2. Now in the command prompt, hit enter. I made a mistake. Handle reduce, copy, paste, build again, CLS A. So this is for sequential algorithm, this is for parallel algorithm. What's the difference? There is a huge difference. So I will modify it, cut, paste, and I will copy this for benchmarking. Copy, paste. I will rename it benchmarking. Now I will make it double. I will make it 10. This is 10 billion. I will 10 million. Then I will make it a little bit bigger. This is range. We cannot display string, initializing their vector std, and there. Now we random fill We don't need to sort. Now I introduce two double, min 1, min 2. Chrono random, stopwatch, SW, min 1, SW, you can say elapsed. Right click, it will reset the time. So after returning the value, it resets the clock. Then here, min 2, SW, elapsed. Now here, and there, stream, min 1 time, elapsed, min 1, copy, min 2 elapsed, stream, parallel is min 1 over min 2 times faster. Then sequential. And there, now let's call this function copy, paste, disable this. I say initializing vector with count elements over type, talk play fun, get type name, element t. Now we build using Clang compiler. We give optimization switch O3 OCEXE, hit enter. We compiled using Clang compiler, so parallel is twice faster than sequential algorithm. Minimum value is the same. Try once again. Parallel is 2.26 times faster. Now using with GNU compiler, hit enter. GNU compiler is also 2.26 times faster, 2.3 times. Now with the Microsoft compiler, O2, hit enter, CLS, Microsoft compiler 3 times faster, 3 times faster. All we changed is something called parallel reduce. Okay, reduce using this sequential, because we can define our function arbitrarily here. There is no justifiable reason to use this sequential algorithm. For more information about parallel reduce, double click this link. I will copy the link for you and paste it here. There are lots more important algorithms in C++ standard. In the past, we can simply implement using sequential algorithm. Implementing parallel algorithm is much more complicated, so by using C++ standard parallel algorithm, we can easily improve the performance of our application. In future episodes, I will introduce more and more important algorithm. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.